Nothing is free, a story of love, sacrifice, and real strength. In a small village lived a boy named Aman, a dreamer with bright eyes and empty pockets. His mother, Zarina, worked day and night washing clothes, stitching torn shirts, and cooking for neighbors just to keep a roof over their heads. Aman never understood why she worked so hard. "Ami, why don't we rest? Why can't life be easy?" he would ask. She would smile softly, touch his hair, and say only one sentence. "Beta, nothing is free in this world. Not even love." Aman didn't understand it then. Years passed. Aman grew up, went to the city for studies, and slowly drifted away from his mother's everyday struggles. He was busy building his future, and she was busy praying for it. One winter night, as he returned home after months, he found his mother sitting by the dim lantern, coughing softly, her hands trembling. "Ami, why didn't you tell me you're sick?" he cried. She smiled with the same gentleness. "Because your dreams needed strength, not worry." Aman broke down. He realized every warm meal she served, every clean shirt he wore, every school fee she somehow arranged, all of it came from sacrifices he never saw. That night, Aman understood the truth. Nothing is free, not success, not respect, not dreams. And most of all, love, real love, costs someone their comfort, their time, their energy, their life. A turning point. The next morning, Aman held her hands and said, "Ami, now it's my turn. You paid the price of love your whole life. Let me return a little of it." He worked hard, not for himself, but to give his mother the life she had once only imagined. He built a small home, warm and peaceful. He cooked for her, took her to the doctor, sat with her every evening. And every time she smiled, he felt richer than any man alive. The message: nothing in life is free. Someone somewhere pays for our comfort. A parent pays with sleepless nights. A sibling pays with silence. A partner pays with patience. A friend pays with time.